up to 9. 9 numbers. Okay, 9 digits if we use means we call it as decimals, isn't it? 0 to 9. Suppose we use only numbers 0 and 1. We call it as binary. Numbers with zeros and 1, we call it as binary. Are you able to recall it? In the beginning we learned, Tomlin. Okay, anyhow, let's do this one. Right on. Binary. Binary number system. Write the heading, binary. Binary means using the digits, zeros and ones. If we use, we call it as binary system. Numbers using zeros and 1. Numbers with zeros and 1, we call it as binary. Binary to decimals. First one, 11001. 11001. Listen, children, how we can do this is, okay? So this is the first one, isn't it? Units place, 2 raised to 0. So this is how we give the positional value. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. We give the positional values like this, 2 raised to 0. The first one, units place, we multiply with 2 raised to 0. Next is 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4. So to convert this in decimal, 1 into 2 raised to 0. What is it? What is 1 into anything raised to 0? What is 2 raised to 0?
1.
So 1 into 1, it is 1. The next is the number there, 0 into 2 raised to 1. 0 into anything, it will be always 0. Now take the next one. 0 into 2 squared. Again, 0 into anything is 0. Now take the next one. 1 into 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. So 8 into 1 is 8. Now take the next one. 1 into 2 raised to 4. What is 2 raised to 4? 60. Now you add all those things, you'll get the answer. So 60. What is the answer? Is it 25? So we can write 11001 to the base 2 is 25. Decimal. Decimal means here we can write 10. 10, okay, 10 different digits we are using. So 10 to the base 10. Okay, is it okay, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next one. Shall we do the next one? Anila Mohanan, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll give one question. Convert it into decimal. Write down 11101011000. Okay, when you write the question, when you copy this question from the question paper, count and see how many ones are there, how many zeros are there. If we leave 1 0 or 1 1, everything will go wrong. Okay, so 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. How will you give the positional values here? 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 6, 2 raised to 7. Okay, the same thing we do with numbers, isn't it? How will you write 567? How will you write this in decimal numbers? 10. In lower classes, we are learning expanded form. So this is 10 raised to 0. This is 10 raised to 1. This is 10 raised square, isn't it? And we used to write this 5 into 100 expanded form. Yes or no? Yes or no? The same thing only here we are doing. Okay, here base is 2. Here base is 10. Decimal means base is 10. So we are writing in this form. Here base is 2. So when you write this, 0 into 2 raised to 0, which is 0. Then 0 into 2 raised to 1, which is again 0. Then 1 into 2 square. So it is 1 into 2 square. 1 into 4, which is 4. 1 into 2 cube, which is 8. Next is 0 into 2 raised to 4, which is 0. 1 into 2 raised to 5. What is 2 raised to 5?
32.
32. Then next is 0, isn't it? 1 into 2 raised to 6, which is 0. Then 1 into 2 raised to 7. 1 into 2 raised to 7. What is 1 into 2 raised to 7?
128.
128. Then again 1 into 2 raised to 8. It is
256.
216, isn't it? 256.
256.
256. Then 1 into 2 raised to 9. Is it 512? Is it 512? So add the numbers. 4, 8, 32, 128, 256, 512. Add the numbers and find out what is the number. What is the answer, Karthik?
940 to the base 10.
9,
40.
940 to the base 10. Is it clear, children? Is it okay? Annette?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. One more question. Okay. Write the next one. One more question. 1111 010. One to the base 2. Tomlin, you have to give the answer. 1111 010. What is the answer?
Ma'am, 122.
Very good, Tomlin. It is 122 to the base. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? So how we are converting? Is it okay? Okay, so next. So we learned how to convert. I'm recording. Okay, now is it? I had. Okay, I'm recording it. Okay, thank you, Karthik, for reminding me. How is Karthik? Okay, at times when I start this, when I do this share screen, it will change. Sometimes it will by mistake, I'll do that fast record. That's all. Okay. So whenever we are given a decimal, we learn how to convert it into binary. If you are given binary, we learn how to convert it into decimal. Is it clear up to this? Is it okay? Hmm? Is it okay, children? Okay. So, yes or no? Aditya? Aditya Satyam?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any confusion is there? Hmm?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So the next is right now binary arithmetic. Like the decimal numbers, we can add binary numbers, subtract, multiply, and division. We are going to learn addition and subtraction, multiplication. Division, it is slight confusing, so we can try it. Anyhow, these three things you give more importance. Addition, subtraction, you give more importance. Addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division we will learn, but more importance you should give it to addition and subtraction. Okay. Binary arithmetic. Under that, first one, binary addition. First one, binary addition. Under that, some rules we are going to learn. Rules. Rules for binary addition. The rules are, now listen, 4 rules. For each one, you'll learn some rules. What is 0 plus 0? Is 0. Isn't it? What is 0 plus 0? What is 1 plus 0? Is 1. What is 0 plus 1? This one. What is 1 plus 1? Usually we write 2, isn't it? Here we should convert it in binary. So 2 means when you divide it by 2, this 1, 0 you will get. So here what you will write? So 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry over 1. With a carry over 1. Okay, with a carry over. This 1 is the carry over. Okay, for example, suppose the question is 10 to the base 2 plus 11 to the base 2. You want to add these two numbers. So how will you add 10 plus? Now apply the rule. What is 0 plus 1? 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0 with a carry over 1. Here no number is there, so you can write the number as 1. So it is 101 to the base 2. Is it okay? 0 plus 1 is 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0 with a carry over 1. Here no number is there, so we are writing this carry over as such. Okay? Let's do. Is it okay, Anila Mohanan? Let's do this one. Try this one. 101 plus 1, 1. So now, here, how will you do this? Okay, you can write afterwards. I'll give time, children. Now you will first listen. Listen to it. First you learn, understand it. What is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1?
0 with the carry over 1.
With the carry over 1. So I'm writing 0 with carry over 1. Now what is 1 plus 1? Again 0 with carry over 1. Now what is 1 plus 1? 0 with carry over 1. But no element is there, so we can write this as 1. Is it okay? Is it clear? Aditya? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomlin? Are you able to follow this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So write this one. The next one, children, next one. Next one. Add. Shall we do the next one? Add 10001 and 1101. 1001 and 1101. When you add this, what do you get? You add this. You're going to do the addition, isn't it? Yeah, a binary addition plus. When you add this. What is 1 plus 1? Okay, do it and give the answer.
Ma'am, 11110.
11110. Is it correct? Others, is it correct? Correct. Are you getting that? Annette, who gave the answers to Janet?
Ma'am,
Okay. So here 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry over 1. 1 plus 0 means it is 1. Again, this is 1, 1, 1. Write the next one. Next one. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 triple 1 0 1. 1 1 0 then triple 1 0 1 with 1 0. You add this with 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 with 1. 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 0. See that place value and all, you should write it correctly. Okay, how many digits? Accordingly, I will write. What is the answer?
one 110000110.
Repeat the answer. Can you repeat the answer? 1 1
4 zeros,
4 zeros.
110.
1 1 0. Is it correct, Annette? Annette?
Ma'am, I made a mistake.
Ah. Which one? What is the mistake? Check it. So what is the mistake?
I forgot to add 1.
1 plus 1, it is 0. So 1 is the carry over, isn't it? So again, you will get 1. This 1. 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry over 1. 0. Again, 1 carry over 1. 0 with carry over 1. 0 and carry over 1. Now, how will you do this, children? 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 1. Or 1 plus 1, what is it? 0. Is that no? What is 1 plus 1? What do you learn? Or you, what you can do, you add these 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3, when you convert this in decimal, what you will get? Karthik? Is it okay, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
So, addition, is it clear, children? Is it okay? Addition, binary addition. Okay, the next one we are going to learn is binary subtraction. Like the next heading, binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. Binary subtraction. Again, the rules for binary subtraction. Rules for binary subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. What will be 0 minus 1? What is 0 minus 1? It is
Minus 1.
it is 1. Okay, we're not using minus here. No negative numbers are there. So that binary means only 0 and 1 is there. It is 1 with, there in addition we said we are carry over. Here it is a borrow of 1, with a borrow of 1 from the next left column. From the next left column. From the next left column. Okay, let's try this way. Okay, let's use this rule and do some questions. Write the rule. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is 1. With a borrow of 1 from the next left column. From the next left column, we'll borrow 1. So write this question. Subtract 101 from 110. Subtract 110 from 101 from 110. 101 from 110. It is not 100 and all. Okay, in binary, we will read it like this. 101, 110. We will not read it just 101 and all. Okay, now listen, children. From 110, we have to subtract. How will you do this? What is 0 minus 1? What we learned? Listen it, children. You can do it afterwards. What is 0 minus 1? What we learned? 0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow of 1 from the next column. We are borrowing 1. So when we borrow this 1 from 1, it will become 0. Is that no? We are borrowing 1 from here. So we will be reducing that value by 1. So it will become 1 minus 1, it is 0. Now what is 0 minus 0? It is 0. Now what is 1 minus 1? Is it okay? So the answer is 1 to the base 2. 1 to the base 2. Now let's do another question. Let's do another one. Subtract 111 001 from from 1 1 triple 3 zeros, then 1 0. Triple 1 0 0 1 from 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, so this one is to be subtracted from here. So 1 1 3 zeros 1 0. From here, we are going to subtract 1 0 0 1 1 1. You subtract this. Tell me. Tomlin, shall you subtract? Tell me, Tomlin. What is 0 minus 1?
Ma'am, 1.
1 with.
Borrow from.
So 1, if you borrow it here, it will become 0, isn't it?
Yes.
So then 0 minus 0, 0.
0.
0 minus 0, 0.
0.
The 0 minus 1,
Ma'am, 1.
1 with the borrow of 1. So what happens with a borrow of 1? So here it will become 1. The previous, from here only you will borrow. Is it correct?
Yes.
So 1 minus 1, it will become 0. So now
0
again
minus
0 minus 1.
0.
So it will become 0
1.
minus 1 and this will become 0.
0.
Okay. One more question, let's try. One more. If once you finish this, you tell me. Let's do the next one. You are going to try and let's check the answer. Is it correct or not? Okay, so the next one. 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1. 1 second, children. 1 second. 1 0 0 1 0. This one is not there. Minus. Sorry, from this one, subtract it from this one, subtract it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. When you write the numbers from the question paper, be careful, count and write. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1 and 0. So from this one, you have to subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. From here, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Subtract it. And tell me what is the answer.
Ma'am,
Ah,
you wrote 1 extra 0.
where?
Ma'am, 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 from.
Once again, it is given like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then here 1, 1, 6. Children, once again you change it. Here one more 1 is there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Yeah. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. See, when you subtract it, keep it in your mind. Okay, on the top you should get more numbers. Bottom you should get less numbers. Then only you'll be able to subtract. Now subtract it. Subtract and give the answer. I think easily you can do. No carry over and all you are getting here.
Ma'am, 0 1 1 0 1 0 0.
0, don't say it once again. Repeat it. 0, 1, 0.
0 0 1 0 1 1 0.
From the end or from the beginning?
From the beginning, 0 1 1 0 1 0 0.
Okay. Is it correct, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So this concept, is it clear? How to add to binary numbers, how to subtract. So in the next class, we will learn how to multiply and how to divide. Okay, we'll be learning how to add, multiply and divide. With this much you are learning from binary numbers topic. Okay, with this I end the session now. Go through it. Okay, go do these questions itself again and again. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Aishwarya.
Thank you, ma'am.